Attack the Japanese defenses with your landing forces. Capture the airfield. Prepare the airfield's defenses to repel any counterattacks. Commander, the Japanese are constructing an airfield on Guadalcanal. If they complete it, Australia will be in their reach, and they will be able to air raid our supply lines. We cannot let this happen. After preliminary naval disarmament, we will proceed with the landings. Expect heavy resistance on the beaches. Yes? Affirmative.
Hurry up! Infantry on the move! Infantry on the move! Yes? Moving.
Ready to attack.
Yes? Infantry on the move!
Yes? Supply truck ready? Waiting orders.
Infantry on...
Hey, Sarge, I ain't seen no Japs here.
Move it.
You will have your Japs at the airfield. Now shut up and move out.
Hurry up! Orders? Affirmative. Orders?
Waiting orders. Affirmative.
Reporting for duty. Moving.
Target in sight.
Bullseye!
Infantry on the move.
Ready to attack.
Bullseye!
Moving. Ready, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Reporting for duty. Infantry on the move. Fire! Yes!
The dust.
Infantry moving. Infantry on the move.
Attack!
Come on!
Bullseye!
Attack! Fire at the target! Fire! Moving, sir. Shoot them! One more bites the dust. Yes? Firm.
Shut your trap and stay alert. Their main force must be hidden in the jungle, waiting to ambush us at night.
Orders?
I have new orders for you and your men. Lead a patrol to sweep the jungle westwards. Be alert at all times.
Infantry ready? On the way.
Orders?
Reporting for duty. Infantry ready? Infantry ready? Machine gun oiled and ready.
Ready, sir.
Orders? Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move.
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty. Moving. Orders? Hurry up! Supply truck ready? Reporting for duty. Ready to attack. Hurry up! Come on!
Enemy!
Affirmative.
Awaiting orders. Any orders, sir? Orders? Affirmative. Moving. Machine gunner, reporting for duty. Infantry reporting for duty.
Fire!
Yes?
Vehicle is operational. Moving. Ready, sir. Yes? Ready, sir. Hurry up. Waiting orders.
Got it. Got it. Come on! Moving. Moving, sir. Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move. Target in sight. Infantry on the move. Yes, sir. Infantry on the move. Ready, sir.
Waiting orders.
Moving, sir. On the way. Infantry on the move. Infantry moving. Infantry on the move. Shoot them!
Enemy sighted.
This was a forward recon team, so their main group is coming this way. We have to dig in and fortify our position. On the double. I'm itching to have a real fight with the Japs.
Infantry moving.
Itching, eh? Don't touch others, Private.
Infantry reporting for duty. Yes. Infantry reporting for duty. Yes. Ready for battle. Infantry on the move.
Orders.
Yes, sir. Hurry up. Orders. Infantry ready? Moving. Ready, sir. Infantry reporting for duty. Machine gunner reporting for duty.
Yes, sir.
Infantry, on the move. Infantry ready? Infantry, on the move. Fire at the target!
Ready, sir.
Attack! Awaiting orders. Infantry moving. Yes!
Ready, sir.
Target destroyed.
Any orders, sir?
Reporting for duty.
Yeah! Come get some. Keep your head down, you idiot.
Orders? Hurry up! Fire! Attack! Yes!
Ready, sir.
Orders? Hurry up!
Ready for battle. Machine gun oiled and ready.
Ready to attack. Fire at the target! Hurry up! Hurry up! Got it. Yes. Affirmative. Enemy destroyed.
Ready for battle. Infantry moving. Infantry, on the move. Infantry, on the move. Target destroyed. Orders?
Ready, sir.
Infantry reporting for duty. Yes? Infantry on the move.
Vehicle is operational. Attack! Come on!
Ready, sir.
Infantry on the move.
Dust.
Shoot them!
Got it. Target destroyed. The airfield is under attack. Pull your forces back there and reinforce the defense line, Commander.
Machine gunner reporting for duty. Machine gun oiled and ready. Ready for battle.
Any orders, sir? Reporting for duty.
Machine gunner, reporting for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Machine gunner, reporting for duty.
Ready, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Waiting orders. Ready to attack.
Moving, sir. Ready for battle. Infantry moving. Yes? Infantry on the move. Got it. Infantry moving. Ready for battle. Infantry on the move.
Possessing air support is crucial in this battle, and the Japs know it. Stop them at any cost. Orders? Vehicle is operational. Come on!
Reporting for duty.
Ready, sir. Infantry moving. On the way. Infantry ready? Any orders, sir?
Awaiting orders.
Awaiting orders. Reporting for duty. Ready for battle. Infantry on the move. Infantry reporting for duty. Ready for battle.
Orders.
Any orders, sir? Orders?
Orders. Any orders, sir? Orders.
Hurry up! Infantry reporting for duty. Yes. Awaiting orders. Ready for battle.
Orders. Orders. Orders.
Orders? Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry ready? Infantry ready? Yes, sir. Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry reporting for duty. Ready for battle. Infantry on the move.
Orders? Ready, sir.
Ready for battle. Infantry reporting for duty.
Ready, sir.
Yes?
Ready, sir.
Yes, sir. Hurry up! Fire the target in sight. Enemy. Ready, sir. Moving, sir. Infantry on the move. Infantry moving. Enemy destroyed. Awaiting orders. Hostile unit spotted. Ready, sir. Ready for battle. Yes? Affirmative. On the way. Orders? Hurry up.
Awaiting orders.
Infantry on the move. Infantry ready. Infantry moving. Reporting for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Target in sight. Ready for battle. Orders? Ready, sir. Yes. Infantry ready? Moving. Got it. Enemy destroyed. Infantry reporting for duty.
Ready, sir.
One more. Watch the dust. Fire! Machine gun oiled and ready. Any orders, sir?
Any orders, sir?
Yes, sir. One more fight in the dust. Bullet storm. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Infantry reporting for duty. Affirmative. Infantry ready.
Yes, sir.
Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry on the move.
Any orders, sir?
Reporting for duty. I'm hit. Got it. Fire! sir. Infantry moving. Yes, sir. Infantry reporting for duty.
Awaiting orders. Affirmative.
Target destroyed.
Yes, sir.
Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Orders? Yes.
Sarge, I've had enough of them now. Shut up and keep firing.
Affirmative. Come on!
One more bites the dust.
Yes, sir. Infantry moving?
Open fire!
Any orders, sir? Reporting for duty. Got it.
Bullseye!
Infantry reporting for duty. Hostile units.
Affirmative.
Ready, sir. Affirmative.
Ready for battle. Hurry up.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir.
Come on.
Target destroyed.
Waiting orders. Ready, sir. Orders? Moving, sir.
Any orders, sir? Infantry reporting for duty. Gun ready. Fire! Any orders, sir? On the way. Come on!
Bullseye! Bites the...
Orders? Any orders, sir? Infantry ready? Infantry on the move.
Sarge? What? Nothing.
Enemy sighted.
This will be remembered as a turning point in the war. Thanks to you, they suffered such heavy losses that they will have to give up offensive operations. Well done.
August 1942. 8 months to the day since the Japs bombed Pearl Harbor, we finally got to do something about it. Our target? Guadalcanal, one of the Solomon Islands, situated northeast of Australia. Me and the rest of 1st Marine Division have been itching to get started for weeks now. One of the sergeants says this will be the first time in history that our division's entered combat. I have to say, things could have started smoother. Such was the rush to mobilize, we had to leave half our equipment on the docks in Wellington, including all our heavy guns. We met up with some Brit and Aussie ships at Fiji until we had an invasion fleet 75 ships strong. It took a week's hard sailing to get here. The weather was certainly kind to us. Stormy skies meant we avoided detection by Japanese scouts, and our landing took the enemy completely by surprise. Resistance on the beach was minimal. Our key objective was the airfield, and we advanced on it swiftly. Japanese resistance was poorly organized, and we brushed them aside with ease. Soon, we were in full possession of the objective. It was then that scouts detected a massive counterattack approaching. As my men readied themselves for the onslaught, I reminded them about MacArthur's trench warfare experiences in France. The Japanese attack raged on well into the night, but we stood firm against everything they threw at us. We faced wave after wave of infantry assaults, while above us, the sky was filled with Japanese bombers. One of our landing ships, the Georgia Velia, took a direct hit and burned throughout the night. Eventually, enemy forces fell back. 1st Marine Division passed the test with flying colors.